We are going to test out 4 of the most popular models from the generative AI community: Cheyenne, RealVis XL, DreamShaper and Juggernaut, with 4 homegrown prompts perfect for comparison. Stick around till the end of the video to find out which one performs the best. Let's go! To keep the video from getting too dense, I'm gonna copy and paste the prompts directly. But don't worry, as always, I'll drop them in the video description along with the link so you can try it out, remix the mobile app we are going to use during the process. If you want to know more about this app, there's loads of videos on the channel to get the most out of it, starting with the first prompt, which will help us create photos of Darth Vader, who'll be hanging with us through the video. Yeah, I'm a Star Wars fan. We pick Cheyenne first and generate the image. This model is really good with illustrations, so we don't expect it to match up too well with what we are asking for. Here it is. While it's not at all realistic, the character and the rest of the elements fit really well. Let's check out the rest. Juggernaut and DreamShaper have produced some great outputs, but for me, RealVis XL is the winner. Point for RealVis. Next prompt, this time to create scenes from a possible sitcom starring Darth Vaders. We choose DreamShaper and wait for the results. Not bad at all. Yeah, let's see the rest. Again, Cheyenne gives us more an illustration type result, which also I like. It doesn't fit what we were looking for, and the rest are pretty good, but RealVis XL is still my favorite here. And yours? So now let's create Super Saiyan illustrations. As expected, Cheyenne here is the king, with awesome results. On my remix profile, you can find some super fun creations with this prompt. Let's check out the rest of the models. They are not bad, but Cheyenne is definitely my pick. On to the last prompt, where we are gonna create robotized and somewhat chubby Vaders. Let's try Juggernaut, for example. Yeah, looks great. Let's see the rest. Tough choice. They are all pretty close, but I think DreamShaper wins this round. After seeing all the examples, I think RealVis XL is clearly the most versatile model of them all. DreamShaper and Juggernaut are also doing very good in all styles, and without a doubt, Cheyenne is the best for illustrations. What do you think? Which is your favorite model? Let me know in the comments and I'll include it in future comparisons. In the next video, we're gonna look at 4 more models: ProRovision, Night Vision, Dynavision and Albedo Base. Which will be the best? Don't miss it. Takala signing off. Bye bye guys.